Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today I want to share my experience with the ARES Wing Heavy Duty Monitor Arm, especially for those of you working with ultra-wide displays, heavy production setups, music studios, editing rooms, or gaming stations. As many of you know, my setup includes large, ultra-wide 49-inch InnoScene display for music production, video editing, scoring, and mixing. I'm using this heavy monitor, and finding a monitor arm that actually stays stable without drifting or shaking is not always easy. That's where this model honestly surprised me. First of all, the build quality feels very premium. The aluminum construction feels solid and durable right out of the box. Once it's installed, the arm feels extremely secure, even with heavier ultra-wide monitors attached. According to the specification, it supports monitors up to 57 inches and up to 66 pounds, which is really impressive. The gas spring mechanism here allows you to reposition the monitor very easily without fighting against the arm. Whether you want your screen higher, lower, closer, or pushed back during recording sessions, editing, or mixing, it stays very flexible and smooth. Another thing I really like is the desk space that it saves. Especially in a studio environment, the desk space is really super important. When you have audio interfaces, MIDI controllers, monitors, speakers, keyboards, cameras, and lighting equipment around you, having the monitor floating instead of sitting on a stand makes a huge difference. My workspace instantly looked cleaner and much more professional. Cable management is also nicely designed. It helps hiding the cables and keeps the setup looking organized, which is very important if you film content like I do for YouTube or client sessions. Some monitor arms slowly tilt down over time with heavier displays, but this one feels much more reliable for long-term use. Also, they make some other products that actually caught my attention. The ARES Wing Aluminum Low Profile Mic Arm. I really like the clean low profile design because it stays below your monitor level and keeps the setup looking minimal, especially for podcasting, streaming, voiceovers, studio sessions, or content creation. Overall, if you are looking for a heavy-duty monitor arm for your room or for your setup, I think the ARES Wing heavy-duty monitor arm is definitely worth considering. It gives you flexibility, cleaner desk organization, strong support for heavy monitors, and a much more comfortable workflow overall. This is all about this review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one here on HelloVSTV.